like a banana.
I wanted to I get the hardest time seeing something and not drive real loud.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Those are mine. Those are mine. You're not getting them. No, 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 no. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? Stop.
Here you go.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop. That is all. Duke, do you have a moment? Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, excuse me? Boop. Thank you. Hello, excuse me? Boop. Hello. Boop, boop, boop. Good day. Boop. Hello, yes, Houdini, I love your magic act. Anyway, boop. Hello, hello? Boop. And you too, yes, you. No, excuse, boop, not a fan. Hello, yes, welcome. Anyway, boop, have a nice day. Excuse me, the two of you have a moment for a word. Why, hello, sir, thank you. Boop. Oh, hello, yes, and you, ma'am? Boop, thank you very much.
Don't. No. No. Hot. Hot. No. Hey, Stella. You're gonna burn yourself.
Hey there, Mr. Pig. You got yourself in a real predicament, didn't you? Well, you got to stop so Mommy can get it off. Okay, hold on. What? You got it? Hold on. Come here. Hey, come here. Dude. Oh, you got it off yourself? Okay, well, just a good job. Oh, man, you out of breath from that? You a little scared? You a little scared? Whatever, Mom. I'm fine. I meant to do that. It was just a cool new workout I made up. It's a new workout I made up on my own and I was doing on purpose. And then you're just being rude and just saying things about me that aren't true, Mom. It's called bucket challenge, and you gotta see how far you can run with a bucket attached to you. Everybody on TikTok is doing it, and it's just a cool thing that people are doing. You're trying to make videos of me and make fun of me about it, but I'm just doing what the cool kids are doing. You know, we gotta find things to do during this quarantine, and I don't know how to dance, so I thought maybe I'd make up a bucket challenge. You know, wear a bucket as long as you can challenge. Totally makes sense. I wasn't stuck in a bucket, and it's really appreciated if you stop making fun of me in front of my friends, Mom.
Come on, Fiji. Come on. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Be careful.
Hello my friends, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. We are working hard to make those videos just for you. So please like the video and subscribe, it's free. Thank you.